What if the most advanced instrument ever built by humanity has just detected something that should not exist at all? What if our deepest beliefs about the origin of the universe, about time and space themselves, are collapsing under the weight of new observations? The James Webb Space Telescope was designed to explore the farthest edges of reality, but it has transmitted data so disturbing that even Nobel Prize-winning physicists have broken their silence. Some of them say this clearly: this does not look like our universe. In a region of space filled with ancient cosmic light, Webb detected what first appeared to be a faint yellow smudge. Nothing special at first glance, but once astronomers analyzed the signal, everything changed. This object was not an ordinary galaxy. It was the most distant structure ever observed, formed only a few 100 million years after the supposed birth of the universe. And here is the problem. It is far too massive, far too bright, and far too evolved to exist so early. According to all current models, there was not enough time or matter for something like this to form, and yet it exists. Even more disturbing, this object is not alone. The James Webb Telescope has now detected dozens of similar galaxies, each one breaking the rules of early cosmic formation. Some of these structures behave in ways that seem physically impossible. Normal galaxies convert only a small fraction of gas into stars, but Webb has identified several objects that appear to have converted nearly all of their matter into stars. No leftover gas, no dust, only pure, intense starlight. This should not be possible under any known theory of galaxy formation. As scientists pushed deeper into the data, a radical question emerged. What if these objects are not galaxies at all? What if we are not observing the early universe, but something entirely different? Some researchers have begun to speculate about far more unsettling possibilities: structures from another dimension, remnants of a previous universe, or even interactions with a parallel cosmic system. To understand why this is so shocking, we must look at the limits of the observable universe itself. As space expands, distant galaxies move away from us faster and faster. Beyond a certain boundary, known as the Hubble horizon, objects recede faster than the speed of light. Logic suggests we should never see anything beyond that limit. And yet, James Webb is detecting light from regions that should be unreachable, light that should never arrive here. This forces a terrifying conclusion. We may be observing signals from beyond the boundaries of our own universe. Even more unsettling, Webb has detected a strange rhythmic frequency hidden within the cosmic background. It does not match pulsars, gravitational waves, or any known astrophysical phenomenon. The signal repeats at precise intervals, almost like a heartbeat. Some scientists cautiously suggest exotic matter. Others quietly admit something far more disturbing. The signal follows a clear mathematical pattern, as if it were intentionally structured. At the same time, Webb has revealed massive gravitational effects with no visible source. Space-time is bending, light is being distorted, but there is not enough matter to explain it. This is not ordinary dark matter. It is something else. These invisible gravitational fields behave like pressure coming from somewhere we cannot see, from somewhere outside our observable reality. This has revived a theory once considered fringe science, the idea of a mirror universe, a cosmic counterpart where time flows in the opposite direction and physical laws behave differently. Webb has detected strange rotational patterns in distant galaxies, suggesting deep asymmetry, as if two cosmic systems are overlapping, one pulling in one direction, another pulling back. In the final and most disturbing observation, Webb tracked a light signal from the very edge of the observable universe. This light should have faded forever. Instead, it appeared again, with the exact same spectral signature, but from a different direction, a cosmic echo. There are only two explanations. Either the universe is closed and light can loop back on itself, or that light reflected off something at the ultimate boundary, something capable of reflection, something that should not exist. The James Webb Telescope was built to study the beginning of the universe. Instead, it may have revealed that our universe is not alone. Impossible galaxies, invisible masses, mirror structures, rhythmic signals, cosmic echoes. The real question is no longer whether we are alone in space. The question is whether we are even in the right universe.